Space is not empty. It hides things we don't understand, and some are terrifying. Top 10 scary facts about the universe.
Fact 1. Black holes stop time. Black holes are places where gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. But the most terrifying part is what they do to time. Near a black hole, time slows down dramatically. From the outside, anything falling in appears to freeze forever at the edge. But for the object itself, time continues normally as it falls into darkness. This means two different realities exist at once, one where time stops and one where it doesn't. If you fell into a black hole, you would never see your end from the outside universe. You would simply disappear from reality. Black holes are not just cosmic traps, they are places where the rules of time itself begin to break.
Fact 2. The universe is mostly invisible. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, mysterious forces we cannot see or fully understand. Dark matter holds galaxies together with invisible gravity, while dark energy is slowly pushing the universe apart, expanding space itself. Scientists cannot detect them directly, only their effects. This means most of reality is completely hidden from us. The terrifying part is simple. We live in a universe mostly made of something unknown. We exist inside a structure we barely understand, surrounded by invisible forces shaping everything.
Fact 3. Gamma-ray bursts can erase planets. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions known in the universe. In seconds, they can release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. If one occurred close enough to Earth, the radiation could strip away the atmosphere, destroy the ozone layer, and trigger mass extinction. Some scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have already affected Earth millions of years ago. The frightening part is that these bursts are invisible until they hit. They travel at the speed of light, no warning, no time to react. A cosmic flash from across the universe could end life in moments.
Fact 4. Rogue planets. Not every planet orbits a star. Some are violently thrown out of their solar systems during chaotic gravitational interactions and begin drifting through deep space forever. These are known as rogue planets, dark, frozen worlds moving silently between the stars with no sunlight and no warmth. Astronomers estimate there may be billions of rogue planets in the Milky Way alone. Their surfaces are locked in permanent darkness and temperatures can fall below -200 degrees Celsius. Some scientists believe certain rogue planets may still contain internal heat, thick atmospheres, and even hidden oceans beneath layers of ice. The most frightening part is their invisibility. Without reflected starlight, they are almost impossible to detect. A massive, frozen world could theoretically pass near a solar system without warning. You would never see it until it was already there, a silent planet drifting endlessly through the darkness of space.
Fact 5. The Boötes Void. There exists a region of space so empty it almost defies imagination. It is called the Boötes Void, one of the largest known cosmic voids ever discovered. This immense region stretches roughly 1 billion light-years across, yet contains very few galaxies compared to surrounding space. If you were somehow placed inside this void, the night sky would appear almost completely black, with only a few faint galaxies scattered across unimaginable darkness. Scientists still do not fully understand why such enormous empty regions formed in the universe. The frightening implication is that the universe is not evenly distributed. Vast zones of near nothingness separate clusters of galaxies.
Entire cosmic structures are isolated by distances so large that light itself takes billions of years to cross. Space is not only vast, it is overwhelmingly empty beyond comprehension.
Fact 6. The Big Rip. The universe is expanding, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. But if dark energy continues to grow stronger over time, it could lead to a catastrophic scenario known as the Big Rip. In this theoretical future, expansion accelerates so much that galaxies are torn apart, then solar systems, then planets. Eventually, even atoms themselves would be pulled apart as space stretches faster than the forces holding matter together. Gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces would all fail. Everything in existence would slowly disintegrate, not in an explosion, but by being stretched beyond survival. The terrifying part is that nothing could stop it. The universe would not end suddenly. It would slowly pull itself apart until nothing remained. Fact 7. Neutron stars. Neutron stars are among the most extreme objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse after a supernova, compressing more mass than the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers wide. Their density is so immense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Gravity on their surface is crushing beyond imagination. If you approached one, tidal forces would stretch and destroy you at the atomic level. Their magnetic fields are trillions of times stronger than Earth's and can tear apart atoms from a distance. Some neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second, emitting intense beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. These remnants are not just dense, they represent matter pushed to the very edge of physical possibility.
Fact 8. Cosmic silence. Despite constant explosions, collisions, and violent events, space is completely silent. There is no air or medium to carry sound waves, meaning even the most powerful cosmic events occur in total silence. A nearby supernova, a star collapsing, or two galaxies merging would produce no sound at all. You would see light, radiation, and motion, but hear nothing. This silence is unsettling because it removes any sense of presence or warning. In space, there is no wind, no echo, no noise, only endless darkness. The terrifying reality is isolation. Floating in space, surrounded by infinite emptiness, you would exist in perfect silence. The universe is not loud chaos, it is quiet, cold, and indifferent. Fact 9. Supernova threat. Massive stars die, they explode in events called supernovae, some of the most powerful explosions in the universe. In seconds, a single supernova can release more energy than the Sun will produce in its entire lifetime. If one occurred close enough to Earth, radiation could strip the atmosphere, destroy the ozone layer, and threaten life across the planet. Scientists monitor nearby stars like Betelgeuse, knowing one day it will explode. The terrifying part is unpredictability. When a star collapses, the explosion travels outward at enormous speed, carrying lethal radiation and cosmic particles. Space may appear calm, but destruction can begin instantly without warning. Fact 10. The Fermi Paradox. The universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets. Statistically, intelligent life should exist everywhere, yet we have found no confirmed evidence of alien civilizations. This contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. Where is everyone? Some scientists believe advanced civilizations destroy themselves before spreading. Others suggest space is too hostile or distances too vast. The most disturbing idea is the great silence, the possibility that intelligent life is extremely rare or already gone. In a universe so vast, humanity may be completely alone, a small civilization on a fragile planet surrounded by endless darkness and silence.
If the universe didn't scare you yet, there is still more we don't understand. Subscribe for more dark facts about space. And remember, we are only a tiny part of something infinite.